How to add or remove payment methods on Uber Eats. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can add or remove payment methods on Uber Eats if you need to update your card or switch to cash. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up the Uber Eats application or go to the ubereats.com via browser and make sure that you're signed in into your account. Once you're signed in, navigate to top left corner and click on the three light icon. This menu bar will pop up in your interface. Head over to the wallet. You'll be taken into next page where it says Uber Wallet. Now to add a payment method, all you have to do is click on Add Payment Method, and here you have to choose your option, whether you want to use it for spend or to receive. So select one option from here. Then again, you have all these options, whether you can add gift card, PayPal, credit, or debit card. Whichever your option you choose from here, you may have to provide extra information for all of this payment method. So provide all of the required information, and once you're done with that, your preferred payment method will be added. Now to remove a card, once you're under the Uber Wallet section, you have to choose the card that you want to remove from here. After that, you will find an option to delete or remove it. Tap on that icon on the card and your payment method or your selected payment method will be deleted. That's it. That's how you can manage your payments on Uber Eats, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.